myself.
Wow!
Yay!
Ang galing naman. Choose which one you like to open first. Okay, go. Go for it. You wanna see?
So excited. Why are you so excited? Are you the one who gave me this?
Maybe.
Bakit?
What is it?
Thank you! Why did you give me this, Lola?
God, I like you.
I got it! Yuppie!
You wanna show it? You wanna show it? Wow! You've got that! Wow! Oh, what else you want to open?
I want to open the SM1.
Which one? That one?
There's M1.
What is this? Why is it even a stick?
I don't know. Good.
Open it.
Wow,
Open
wow,
it.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited for what? Something to come out?
Yeah.
And pumatong me?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway.
Wow, what is
What is it?
I already have this. Ha! I already have this.
What is it, Timmy? Show it.
Wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it can.
It's double sword.
It's already double sword.
Yes. It's that sound. You push the button.
Is that a sound? Whoa! It sounds like my old one.
Oh, another one.
There's a stabbing one.
I will open the one. The next one. What I can do now? There.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want to open this another. I want to open, guys, another stick.
Another stick. What is it?
Is it another
Wow.
katana?
Yes, it's another katana.
Ah! You got me a red one? How?
Yes.
How do? Thank you, Lola.
No, it's not me.
That's from me.
Mommy, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, open another one. Mamaya mo na
Hayaan
yung
mo siya. Hayaan mo siya. You wanna open it? You wanna try it?
Okay, I'll open it. It's my favorite one.
That's your
Ever.
favorite one
I
ever?
want to move on and go fast.
Give me one gift.
I have a lot of. Of course, my mama likes me a lot, so he gives me a lot of birthday gifts. I think I know what this is.
What is
A new
that?
lighting, a new lighting sword.
Oh, again. You have so many swords. What is that?
Next, put all the wrappers in there.
Excited.
I'm excited. Whoa, this one is super thick. I wonder what it is.
Wonder what is this? What is
Oh
that?
my god, it's a blaster! It's a water gun! It's a water gun! It's a water gun! It's a water gun! It's a water gun!
Wow, you like it?
Yeah,
Wow.
I do like it too. I wanna see it. I wanna see it. How do they even work? How do you open it? Is it real or fake? Oh my, so realistic.
You do it like this.
Ay, wow. Ang galing ah.
Di ba may light pa yan?
Oo.
Like
Walang
Panday,
battery.
ah.
Walang battery. Doesn't need the batteries na check.
We'll put
How do you
battery
open
later.
the batteries?
Okay.
Water gun. I wanna see. Guys, the next one I wanna open is this gummy 5-1.
Gummy. 5-1. Go.
It's so big!
It's so big.
What is that?
Also, it's so heavy! It's so heavy I can't even open it anymore. I'll use the
Maybe it's
power.
a diamond.
It's not a diamond, Lola. You can't even afford this.
Oh no. It's a diamond.
Definitely not a
Ay,
diamond.
what's that?
It's something I love the most.
Something I love the most.
It's JD's actual gift.
Art set.
What's that? Wow.
Only JD has this.
It's an
And now
art
you
set.
have your own. You have your own art set.
Wow!
Here, Timmy, look.
So may opening. Ayun.
Timmy,
Here,
look.
Timmy, look oh.
Timmy, look.
It's an art set. I know this.
Wow.
Dami na. Dami na. The last one. You wanna check the last one?
The last one.
Where is the last one?
Ayun, oh.
And how do you open this thing?
Just open it here.
Okay, what is it? I think I see what it is.
What?
I don't know. Wait, it's my dolphin plushie! My favorite dolphin plushie! This one! It's this one! This is what I was talking about! Now I have one.
Are you happy with your gifts?
Yes.
Okay.
See?